Damn shade. Snackheads, what's good? It's your boy C-Snacks. Check it. I'm mega and super pumped to be teaming up with Lauren on Hot for Food. Yo, I'm pumped, man. She gave me the call. I was like, yeah. So I'll be doing a bunch of videos, man. So today I am doing a vegan tuna sandwich. Yeah, vegan tuna. I've never thought this was possible. Maybe I passed it in the grocery store, never bothered to look, because who would think they would make a fake fish? They ain't fake fish, because you know, vegans usually vegetables or something like that, whatever it is. But yeah, I'm doing some vegan tuna sandwich. Yeah. Boom, fish-free tunas. Didn't even know that's possible, but it's fish-free tuna, dude. What? And this one is oil and herbs. 14 grams of protein and all that. And it's vegan, son. It's straight vegan. Big shout out to Chad Sarno and Derek Sarno. You know what I'm saying? This is inspired by them chefs. You know what I mean? Boom. What I got right here, I got 2 types of mayonnaise, man, but ain't regular mayonnaise, you heard? This is the avocado gluten-free vegan mayonnaise. You know what I mean? And also we got the vegan mayonnaise as well. So this is soy-free, you know what I'm saying? Butter and mayonnaise, veganese, you know what I mean? Veganese. As I said, veganese, veganese, veganese. This is dope. Got my little bready bread, you know what I'm saying? I got the knife and can't forget the celery hearts. Got everything, let's do it. All right, excuse me while I chop up this celery hearts. Got to chop up the celery hearts. We gotta chop up the celery hearts. Every time you're in the kitchen, you gotta chop up the celery hearts. Me say celery, celery, celery hearts. Me said celery, the celery hearts. You see when it's sitting on the fridge and this part start turning brown, you chop it off and you throw it on the ground. I said celery, celery, celery hearts. Oh yeah, celery. Me said celery hearts. And then you take this just like that and you chop it off. That's what my mother used to do when I was young. Chop off the celery, celery, the celery heart. Alright, so crack this bad boy open. See if it's really good. I like that they make it real easy to open and it ain't all crazy tough, because sometimes when they got like the resealable joints, it'd be hard to open. So this is mad basic because they're not trying to make you use this again. If you use it, that's it. That's it. Oh my God, you can see it look like a little, it look like the cat food that be in the bag when you serve, you give it to Snookums, you know what I mean? It's not much in there. I guess it's for one serving, one person, you know. It don't smell like fish, so don't expect it to have that tuna nasty smell. You know, some people like it, I don't like it. It's not bad. It smells like a bunch of seasoning. Boom, got my little bowly bowl, son. Let's put all of it in there. I suggest you to use all of it because it comes in them containers that you're supposed to just toss out. So I'm gonna add my celery in there. I use an avocado on the side, and sometimes I put it on my sandwich as well. Yeah, this is like a day old. You see little brownness everywhere. You nasty, Chris. I don't care. All right, let's do the vegan joint. Hey, yo, that'd be crazy if this is sitting in my fridge and it's mad stale, and I wouldn't even know. I don't know if it's supposed to be brown like that. I don't know. I decided to just go with the regular vegan joint because I don't know if that's stale and don't got no date on it, and I don't want to be eating my sandwich and be like, so I'm gonna just do this one. Yeah. Wah! Put a little bit more. I used to put a lot in there. Wah! Wah! One more. Wah! And then you mix it up a little bit. Yo, this really look like cat food, son. Wow. This is and you know, when you normally eat tuna, man, it usually be not brown like this. It usually be like a really like almost white tannish. Now it look tan and toast. Yo, I swear, if I had a cat, I would give him this and let him try it first. All right, here it is. Yeah, man, I put my buns in the toaster because I like my buns toasted. Nasty. My girl gonna kill me. She gonna be like, whose buns you talk? You talk about somebody else's buns? Or you talk about my buns? Because if it's just my buns, then it's okay. But you talk about somebody else's buns, I'm gonna bust you in your head. All right, I got my little avocado. You can see it right there. Shun, you see that a little bit? This is it right here. I had to put it in the bowl. So yeah, let me hurry up and put it on the buns. So it's still nice and warm. Put it on the buns. Ooh. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? Put a little bit over there. Put a little bit over there. Ooh. All right. Put a little bit more. Let me take this out the way so you guys can see what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying, Sean? Let me put my little avocado in there. Put the avocado in just like that, man. I don't mince it in there and try to make a little guaca tuna. I ain't trying to make a guaca tuna. Guaca tuna. Oh, guaca tuna. Got the avocado on top, boom. You know what I mean? And that's all she wrote, man. Real easy, son. Damn, look at that bad boy. Oh. All right, like to taste it, here it goes. My first time, man. Let's do it. Let's go. Go, Chris. Go, Chris. Man up. Yo, it's kind of bleh, yo. Damn. Yo. No BS, and I'm not BSing. It do got a texture like tuna. It doesn't taste like the tuna that we normally eat, but yo, this right here is banging. Like straight up and down banging. No BS. Yo, straight banging, man. You know, we're making a mess. We got fake tuna all over my mouth with celery and mayonnaise, veganese. Banging, son. Banging. Yo, the bun being slightly toasted, telling you, it hit it on the head, duck, goose. Damn! Yo, this is straight up good. Straight banging. Oh, man. Damn, I only made one? There's room for more. If you follow me on my channel, I rate my food from 1 to 5. All my snacks from 1 to 5. And after 5 is banging. And this right here is banging. Straight up and down, yo. Straight up and down. And they got 3 different flavors. I only picked one. Because it's like, man, I don't even know if I'm going to like it. And this is banging. I will be doing this on a regular. Like straight up and down. This shit's so good, I'm gonna look up how much it costs. You know what I mean? I'm trying to calculate my budget. You know what I'm saying? I still got the receipt. Uber Greens. I bought a bunch of other stuff. Where is it? $5 for that packet at Whole Foods. $5. That's what's up. Because if you buy like the good type of tuna, you buy like 3, well, they be on sale sometimes. $5 is worth it straight up and down. That's not real fish. It's vegan, and it ain't no BS. Yeah, this is good, man. Damn, man. Yo, I'm about to go back inside and make me like FOMO. It's your boy C-Snacks. Thank you so much for watching Hot for Foods. Thank you. Peace.